Imagine your next smartphone didn't just work for you, but worked for the planet too. No need to imagine because it's a reality now. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. The FairPhone 6 might just be the most eco-friendly device you can ever buy, and unlike the old ones, it's finally catching up in performance too. This isn't just a phone for tree or our friends people anymore, it's for anyone who wants a solid, sustainable smartphone without making painful compromises. Yes, it's still a bit chunky, but that bulkiness hides something special, which is a military-grade, rugged build, full modular repairability, and a clean Android experience. If you drop it, just replace the screen. Want to add a lanyard or finger grip? Unscrew the back with the included mini screwdriver and snap it in. Yes, really. The 6th FairPhone brings some surprises too, like a 3D time-of-flight sensor for shockingly good portrait blur. It's not really a camera phone, so the colors can feel muted, and the macro mode is weak too, but selfies from the rear camera shine with artistic bokeh and rivals more expensive devices. Performance-wise, it's mid with an average chipset, decent display, and slower charging, but it's made with recycled materials, assembled under fair labor conditions, and powered by renewable energy. There's no e-waste in the box, and you can even opt for a de-googled version with EOS if privacy is your priority. It feels like a medal in your pocket that you care about the environment and your tech at just $680, which is cheaper than last year's model. The FairPhone 6 doesn't scream luxury, but it doesn't have to. It whispers progress, and in a world of throwaway devices, it sustains. Are you gonna give it a try? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.